Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize key mappings on GameSir X2 Pro controller. And to do this, we'll need to click on the devices inside the GameSir app, then select key settings. And right here we can customize the controls. You can switch the entire layout with Xbox layout or Switch layout. Then we can enable quick shot triggers, like enable LT quick shot trigger with a switch right here. You can map M1 to and select a different key, and also do the same thing with M2. Now when everything is ready, we can click on use. And setup has failed for some reason, but let's try it like this. Yep, we can't change the settings, but you can try if you like. As you can see, it was done in just a second ago, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.